Welcome to another Brickright video. Today we're going to be doing the roof, so stay tuned. Sorry about the sun. You know, Mark's dressed all our leading up in there, really nice. So it's going on good apart from the weather. And if you remember, going back to the other videos we've done, you need to go back and have a look in the series. This bastard hip is perfect for the tiles. That tile and this tile matches that perfectly, so they can put his ridge on. They've painted the lead as well with patination oil, a couple of coats to make it the same colour as the windows. So that's the really nice job. They're doing a good job, in all fairness to them, working hard, and they've been soaked. What we've had trouble with is this velux window. It's electric. They're all electric and rain censored windows. This one, they can't open it, so they're going to have to faff about. They've been in touch with velux, still yet to open this, which is why they haven't been able to do this. So yeah, I'll show you now, then onto the lead. Right. So this is this side. He's just putting our lead up there now, finishing that lead, and then he'll start and do the same down here. So it's the same this side, look. Nigel's put his bastard hip in this side, perfect. Battons are coming over, and it's all going over, and they get the ridge on there. It all joins up perfectly, and that is all down to Uncle Nigel with the way he's worked that hip out. So hats off to Nige. He's done a good job on that, and it's nice. The customer's happy. There's the man himself. Right, thank you very much, Mark. You've done a fantastic job doing that, mate.
No problem at all.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's been a pleasure working.
What's the weather been like?
Absolutely horrendous.
But you're still smiling, so something must have gone right.
Yeah, you don't often have jobs like this, but...
Oh, there we are. No, he's done a fantastic job. As you've seen, not quite finished yet, but you're nearly there. So thank you for your perseverance and all your hard work, mate. Really appreciate that.
No problem.
Cheers. Yeah, that's the roof all finished. As you can notice, fascia soffit is on and the bifold doors are in. So it's now starting to take shape. Right, there we are then, that's the roof done. Absolutely smashed it. Brilliant job, really nice guy to work with. So if you want any roofing, see Mark Bushenack down in the Pontypridd area. So thank you very much, Mark. Done a fantastic job, mate. Absolute pleasure to work with you.
Yes, same goes to you, mate.
Off onto the next one now, is it?
Yes, let's go and price up some more.
There we are. Happy days. Never stops, mate, does it?
Nope.
Never ever stops. Right, thank you very much, mate. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.